Good morning, everyone. I request Neha Guru to welcome our guest.
Good morning and warm welcome to all of you for joining today for this special online session. I am Neha Gurav from TYCO. Today, SoftClone hosting a truly inspiring session where the winners of Smart India Hackathon 2023 will guide us for preparing for the Smart India Hackathon through their vectors journey. Let's welcome our special guest and winning team, Rudraa, MIT Academy of Engineering, Pune. The team members are Mansi Sangpal, Atharva Lokhande, Tejas Pingade, Sripad Dahale, and Shubham Hagwane, and the team lead by Amey Khamkar. They won a Smart India Hackathon 2023 from IRCTC, Ministry of Railway, and the problem statement was Natural Language Translation Engine for announcement and the information dissemination at the stations. So, get ready to hear their journey. They will share how they tackle the tough problem and they become a champion. Once again, welcome Team Rudra, and I would like to request all team members to start this session. Thank you.
Thank you, Neha. We are Team Rudra from MIT Academy of Engineering. First of all, you have a question that is, what is a hackathon and what we can do for the hackathon. So first, we are share you our experience and what is a hackathon first. So our team member Atharva can share what is a hackathon.
So, good morning, all of you, and thank you for this warm welcome. I'll be sharing you a brief about what is SIH, that is Smart India Hackathon. Can you please tell me, am I audible? Mansi, hello?
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Okay,
Tejas.
okay, okay, okay.
Yes, Otherwise you are audible. You
Okay,
can.
so SIH, can you please show the slide of what is SIH so everybody, okay, thank you, Amay. So, Smart India Hackathon. It is an initiative organized by Ministry of Education. Formerly, it was the Ministry of Human Resource and Development, and the other government bodies in all over the nation. So, SIH is a big event across India where students, that is, students mainly engineering students, come together to solve a real life problems. Right? It's like a competition that encourage young minds to be creative and think of innovative solution for everyday issues. So the first four editions of these events were basically the SIH was itself started in 2017 and were successful in promoting new ideas and problem solving skills among the students. The main and basic goal of this competition is to create a culture of coming up with useful products and finding solutions to important problems in which is faced by day-to-day lives. Can you please change this slide, Amay?
Yeah.
So why SIH? Right. Uh, you students will mainly think of why it is necessary to participate in this type of competition, national level competition, because SIH provides you an exceptional platform to tackle real world problems, right, faced by various industries and sectors in India. It's an opportunity to apply your skills and creativity to make a tangible impact. You also gain a learning experience in the sense like this type of hackathons offers a hands-on experience in tackling challenges, working under pressure, and collaborating with teammates. So it's a unique chance to enhance your problem solving skills in a real-time environment, right? So by addressing these types of problem statement or working on this problem statement which will give you a impact on a society, right? The solution which we you will going to develop will provide an impact on the society indirectly, and it is an unique chance to enhance your problem solving skills in real time environment. Recognition and awards, so amount for this winning team, that is for that particular problem statement, is 1 lakh rupees. And besides from the rupees that you are getting, you also get a recognition, that is you are a winner of this national level competition, right? So it is a golden opportunity for all of you to improve your CV and get working on your future endeavors, right? So I would like to further presentation flow to the. I would like to give it to the Tejas.
Students, please feel free to ask questions.
If you have any question in between, then you can ask this. No, any problem with that. Tejas,
Yes,
Tejas,
yeah,
are you continuing?
yeah.
yes, I'm continuing with the process flow. Uh, so basically now we have seen what is SIH, why is SIH. Now we have got a basic idea like why should we participate in the SIH, and now we will see what is the process flow of SH means, how are the problem statements comes to the SH portal, who categorize the problem statement, how we are choosing our problem statement, and next what are the rounds that we needs to be qualified so that we can reach to the final rounds. So these are the step by step flow. Like first is the step one. So in SH, there are the two editions. One is the software edition and another one is the hardware editions. So in software and the hardware edition, there are different types of problems, and all these problem statements are finded out by the center and the state ministries. Like ministries means like there are various ministries like railway ministry, forest ministry, and uh, and so on. So these are the ministries which are finding out the problem statement in their respective ministries. Various departments and NGOs also find out their problem statements, and after finding out that problem statement, these problem statements are to be uploaded on the SH portal websites, and then the review of that problem statement are done by the committee, which is finalized by the government body. And after that, the finalization of a problem statement, among all the final statements, the problem statements are released on the SH portal website, that is the official website of SH. Next, when the problem statements are floated on the SH website, we can see that in step number 3, they have told about the registration process of the college. In SH, there is no rule like we are directly supposed to do our own registration. There are also some processes like first, we decide our problem statement from all the provided problem statement. After that, the internal hackathon is conducted at the college level. In the internal hackathon, we are supposed to make a groups of 6 members. In the 6 members, one girl candidate is compulsory. If all the girl candidates are there, no issue. But if the boys are forming a group, then it is mandatory from the SH that you should have at least one girl candidate in your group. So once the groups are formed, the internal hackathon is conducted at the college level. Once the internal, no, go to the next slide. In the step 3 also, we can see that the internal hackathon is conducted at the campus level. Once the internal hackathon is conducted, from that internal hackathon, the groups are selected, and that group's registration is done by the college on the SH website. Now next, in a step 4, we can see that the internal hackathon, as I have told about the internal hackathon, so the internal hackathon is conducted at the college level, and the finalized only 30 teams are selected from whole college. Even if 60-70 teams are willing to participate in the SH, the college has to select only 30 teams, and the another teams are what we can say, they are not that much capable as in their internal hackathon competition. And next, in the step 5, the team leader of the selected team has the only right to do the registration of their teams once their team is get selected from the top 30 in the college level. And after the college level, once the final hackathon selection is done from the SH, at that time there is no chance that all the 30 teams will be selected from the college or 5 teams will be selected. It totally depends upon what you have submitted to the SH. We will see in our latter part like what we are going to submit to the SH and so on. And next, in step 6, it is the analyze and the result publication from the SH. It was basic like who gives a problem statement, how we select a problem statement, what are the qualification rounds, and so on. We will further discuss on it in detail. Next slide. So now the major part in the SH is the team formation. As we all know that even if we are forming a group for our minor project, major project, we generally chooses our friends and all. We don't think about what type of a team should be there, what should be the skills every member should have, because when we are participating in the SH, it is very important that the members we are selecting in our group should have a well knowledge of all the technologies, or each member should be well equipped with its own technology he is knowing. Like if someone should be master in a front end, someone should be in a back end flutter development, someone should be master in ML cloud. It means that wide variety of a member should be present in the team. There are some rules which are given by the SH. So the first rule is that the when we are forming a team should all the members should be from the same college. No inter college teams are allowed. Next, second, as I said, that each team member should comprise of 6 members, including the team leader. And the most important rule, that is each team must have at least one female team member. And next, when it comes to the next point, that is a fourth point, that is a software edition of the hackathon. So as I told that the team members should have wide variety of skills among them. It should not that all the 6 members are good in web development, or we can say that full stack development, because when the problem statement comes, it includes a variety of technologies in it. Like AI, someone should be there from AI/ML background, someone should be from cloud background, database background, app development, web development. And next, fifth point, that is team should have participated in internal hackathon, which is mandatory. But now in the 2023, the fifth number rule has also removed by them, that there is no restriction that only 30 teams, the college should register only 30 teams for the hackathon. Now the college can register any number of a team, including 6 members in each team. Next slide. This is the link of the SH website. If anyone of you wanted to see what is SH, what type of problem statements are there, you can visit to this link. We will provide a PPT with you. Next, as we all know that the success is not just a destination, as it's a journey of perseverance, learning, and embracing the challenges with a resilient spirit. Next slide. This is our team, which is a team Rudra. We all 6 members have participated in this SH, and so on. So next, Amay will explain you what type of prototypes, what type of PPDs, and what content we have provided to the SH. And on the basis of that content, the SH has decided to give us a chance in the top 5 teams to present our idea. So Amay, continue with it.
Okay,
One
before
second.
that, yeah, sure, sure.
If someone has any question,
Any
please
Yeah.
share with
questions,
us.
please feel free.
Yes,
Anyone?
this is official website of Smart India Hackathon. Here we have get problem statement and what is the timeline of the SIH. All the updates will be given on this website only.
Yes, the you have to follow the timeline. Basically, what happen when we are giving the when we are in the SH, we literally daily check the timeline, because there is a issue that they update it most of the time. Like if they have given 1 November to 20 November IDA evaluation, then they change it to any month. Means they shift by 1 month, 1 week. It depends on them. So we have to follow, means we have to continuously check the timeline. And the most important thing, that problem statement, like you have to choose your problem statement. Is one tab on their website. If you go on their website, is one tab like problem statement. These tabs are for once you got selected for the search, means you selected the problem statement. Here are all the problem statement, like uh, 55 from software and 179, sorry, hardware, and 179 from software. You have to choose any one of the problem statement. Like um, depends on your skill set and your team member skill set. You decide, like we are going with this problem statement. So I think our problem statement is still here. Okay, this is our problem statement that we have selected. You get problem statement and the details, all the details, like what they want. Okay, so what main thing is, like you can't go out of the scope. If they have given the description, like you have to do this and your title is this, you have to stick to this only. Means if you are going out of the scope, it's not accepted. Like they directly, when we are at that point, like we have done some of the additions, they told us that no, we don't want this. Just don't show us this. You show just what we want. Means whatever they want, you have to stick to that. uh, Analyze all each and every word, and uh, do it like and accordingly. So you can choose problem statement from this. I think for 2024, I don't know the dates, because 2023 is just finished. So they will announce the 2024 hackathon, and then all the problem statement will get updated. So don't follow this, because these are the previous year problem statement. And as they just said, like we have to submit them one ppt. Means like uh, if you choose one problem statement, for example, if I choose this problem statement, for this problem statement I have to create one ppt, and the ppt is not on us. Like we can make 4 10 pages. It's restricted, like you have to make 4 pages only, out of which first is a heading and last is a team member, and uh, center 2 pages are only for us. Like we have to write everything in those pages only. I'll just show you the this ppt. Wait, okay. They have given this format for the 2023, and the same format for 2024. There is no change in the format. Like you have to fill the basic details of the problem statement code, title, team whatever the name you assign to the team leader name. This institute code is given by your institute only. Institute name and the theme name. Theme name is what type of, like, smart automation or anything else. Like we have chosen the smart automation. It is given in the problem statement only. There is no problem with that. Then idea and approach. You have to write your idea, what you have done differently. You have think differently. You have to give unique solution, because approximately 500 teams are going to submit the same problem statement or competing for the same problem statement. Your idea and approach should be unique. Like it's actually all in the India, IITs, NITs, triple ITs, all the colleges, like MIT also, all the colleges, out some of the best students go for the problem statement, take the good problem statement, write the idea what they think. So you have to think out of the box, like best idea. Ki it's the best, like we can proceed with this can change, means change the entire system, or it can be beneficial for lot of, we can say, lot of users. So your idea should be unique, and here are some of the pictures. Okay, it's a process flow. Whatever the architecture diagram, basically you have to create one architecture diagram for your problem statement. If according to you, what you process you are going to follow, what are the technologies, these things you have to include in the architecture diagram. I think you can search on the internet that what are the architecture diagrams and how can we create. And technology stack, whatever the technology stack you required for the problem statement, you have to write, you have to post the photos, or the you can just type it. It depends on you how you represent this ppt, how you create the design of the ppt. So technology stack will go here. All the technology stack, describe use case. You have to give the use case diagram, or you have to write use cases of your solution. Actually we in our ppt we have just write in our words, but you can directly paste the use case diagram here. And dependencies and showstoppers. You also have to write your dependencies. Like they are just checking, like you know about everything. You can, it is possible for you to like describe the solution, because For most of the problem statement there are dependencies, there are stoppers, like if you do this, the it stops, means entire system will get disturbed, like that. And this is the team member details. This page is for the team member details, and this is not, these are the just guidelines. So these four only, like you have to follow this only. If you do anything out of this, means you don't write use case, it's not allowed it. Or if you don't write dependencies or showstoppers, same, it's not allowed it, or they directly discard your ppt. So first 2 months, when you submit it, it's totally depends on your PPT and whatever stuff you give, you are going to give to them. So for getting selected for the SIH, means grand final, so only five to six teams were selected from each and every problem statement, and they call them on the one nodal center. We can discuss that later. I'll just show you our PPT that we have submitted for the SH. This is our PPT. You can this thing. You can change the color of the PPT. There's no issue, but the basic template should be same. Like we have changed this to green from orange. Okay, idea and approach. We have written our idea, what we are going to give to them. This architecture diagram, it depends on you how you design your architecture diagram. We have designed like this. You can design it differently, it's no problem with that. Technology stack, we have given our photos only. We don't write technologies like Firebase, MongoDB, AWS, DevOps. It just we have given photo. These are the links, like if you want to check our prototype, this is the main thing. Like you have to give the prototype to them based on, means the flow of your entire system, as what you are going to provide, means you are going to do. They should get clear idea, like okay, I'm going to do this, they are going to do this, so that they can get like, okay, these are the team who can build entire solution, they have capable of doing. So this is a link of, I think it's not working now because I have removed all the things. Okay, architecture diagram, you can give links of architecture diagram. I'll show you. We have also drawn some different architecture diagrams also. This thing, use case diagram or use case, you can write it. It depends on you. And okay, this is our business model. And this is the main point, like for if you write the business model in your ppt, they give you one additional point. So there's each and for every section there's a point. So if you write a business model, you get one additional point. So for the additional point we have done this only, it's not like and in the final project we haven't included this, like business things. When you go there, it's not like whatever you have write in this ppt you have to implement, it's not like that. Whatever they want, you have to implement. That means they come, they in I think 4 or after 4 or 5 hours they come for the mentoring session and the evaluation. They told that okay, you have to change this, we want this type. Then on spot in 36 hours you have to change everything. Means on 36 or 4 to 5 hours when they again come, you have to implement that and demonstrate. So they don't focus on this business model, whatever you have right. They only want the solution that they are providing on this. Means whatever the description is, just implement all the features of the description. That's all, that's what they want. It doesn't matter like you do hard coding, you do whatever things, you take a reference, you use chat gpt, bard, no issue. You can use anything. You can call your mentor. Okay, there is I think one point is missing, mentor. So for each team you can take two mentors. We have taken only one mentor, and you can take two mentors, there's no issue. And mentor also can come with you. Means if you got selected for the sh, mentor can come with you at the nodal center. They assign us one nodal center and we have to reach to the nodal center. All the travel allocation and Allah means accommodation will done by the college only. No problem with that. Means all you have, they give you literally all the facilities. Whatever you want, they will provide you. There's no problem with that. Means the management of the SH is means best. We'll continue with that again. Team members. I think these are our team members. Amey, Tejas, all. That's all. Only 4 pages of the PPT. You have to prepare this. If you want, we can just share this on link, or we can directly share you in our WhatsApp group if you have.
Once again, I may show the team member information.
Yeah.
You see, when we form a team, everyone is expertise in different technologies. Not we stick on a one specific technology. Everyone is a expertise in different technology.
Yes, you have to write this also. And I think it should be proper. Like you don't write anything like if I don't know mobile development or so the app development, then please don't write that. Whatever you know means your team member know, just write that.
And also,
Don't
there
write.
is no restriction that all team members should be from one branch. You can choose
Yeah,
a team from another branch
different.
members also.
Actually, it's recommended by them to choose the team from different branches. But as we have checked, like our problem statement is mostly related to the software. Then we thought that like okay, go with the only computer student only.
Because we were mainly still focused on AIML part, so we need a
Yeah.
AIML developers in our team. So we generally choose the team members which have basic knowledge or at least average knowledge of AIML and web development or full stack,
Yes.
we can say.
Yes. Tejas, I think you can tell them about our journey and all the things. Like we have missed some of the things. Till that, I'll just open all the remaining part. Actually, I
Okay.
haven't opened the prototype, so
Now we will just take overview of like how this process start and how it goes to the grand finale round. So first, we all need to form a team. Once we are ready with our team, we are supposed to provide our team members name, guide name, and the problem statement we are supposed to work on to the college. Once the college registration process is done, there may be any number of groups who can participate for the college internal hackathon. There is no restriction like that only 30 teams are going to selected for from the college, so only 30 teams should participate. No, 40, 50, 60, any number of teams can participate in it. Once your college registration for the internal hackathon is done, the internal hackathon round is conducted at the college level. So for the internal hackathon, your college faculty or either the external faculty will be organized by your college to conduct the internal hackathon. Once the internal hackathon is done, only the 30 teams will be selected among all the teams who have participated for the internal hackathon. And that 30 teams registration has to be done by the college on the SH portal. We are not given any authority or any chance to register ourselves on the SH portal. All the authorities to the college to register your teams. So once the 30 teams are registered, after the 2-3 days of a registration, your team member will be assigned a unique user ID and the password from the SH. Only the team leader has the rights to submit all the PPTs, all the content, and all the stuff you have with yourself to the SH portal. So once you got your user details and the password from the SH, you submit your PPTs, your team member details, and the extra content and the stuff you have with you on the SH portal. After the submission, it will take hardly 15 to 30 days for the SH grand finale teams to evaluate all the PPTs. Like generally, what happens as this competition is organized all over the India, so all the engineering colleges and all the 10 to 12 students participate in the hackathon, and the number of a problem statement for 2023 it was around 248 or 240 something. So for each problem statement there was a each problem statement there was a registration of a 500 teams. It means that you yourself and your team is competing with 500 teams in all over the India. And when you are competing with 500 teams, it is strictly from the SIs that only 5 teams will be selected, no matter what solution you have provided, what type of a prototype you have provided. You cannot counter argue with them that we have provided the best, still you haven't choose us, because it's for their decision to choose team and to give the team
Yeah.
uh,
Actually, yes, yes. Actually, what happens to when we have submitted a problem statement, like we have submitted the PPT that I have shown you. So they have to choose five, no, five teams, but instead they choose six teams. Like, okay, we said like it's okay, like they have chosen six teams for the grand final, and at the day of or the before 2 days, we got that like one there is a one wild card entry also. So there are total seven teams were competing for at
for
final.
for
Uh,
our problem statement.
yes, yes.
Like what happened when the team increases, by default competition increases at the grand finale day. Like if
Because the shortlisted teams are the uh, top of the India, means like they have something unique in them. They have provided best solution out of 500 teams. Means you can imagine like what level of competition is there.
Once the 500 teams are once from 500 teams, 5 to 6 teams are selected. Again, you have to give a confirmation, and it is also not mandatory that one team should will provide a PPT for one problem statement.
Yes, yes,
You
yes,
can provide a PPT for n number of a problem statement. Like if you
yes.
wish, you need to submit or work on a 7 problem statement, or you have a solution for the 7 problem statement out of 240. You can submit a PPTs for 7 problem statement, and once it gets selected from the SH, it may be chances that your two PPTs might get selected, three selected, or either one will get selected.
But yeah, just
If
think.
in case two or three get selected, they ask you to give a confirmation for only one problem statement, and you have to reject another problem statement.
Yes. In that, actually, the thing is like, okay, you can submit multiple problem statement, but like you have to also give the prototype. Means if your prototype is also good and your PPT is also good, then it is a chances of getting selected. Like based on PPT, I think not possible to only select like, okay, you are selected for grand final. Huh? If the problem statement have less number of submissions, they only go with you. Means like you submit whatever, doesn't matter, they select you because only five submissions are there and they have to select five teams now. So they'll go with the all the five teams who have registered.
250 submissions or
Yeah.
300 submissions, and if
Yeah.
the count doesn't reach, the minister directly reject the problem statement from their end, no
This
matter
will
how better solution
yes,
you have provided.
yes.
Because in
So,
our college it has happened for almost 2 to 3 teams that they have provided a best solution, and there was a chances that they will get selected, but the whole count of a problem statement submission was around 200 to 250, so the minister directly rejected the problem statement instead of evaluating their PPTs.
yeah, this happens
So
actually.
sometimes
It
it
depends
also
on,
depend on
like sometimes it depends on if the ministry don't want that problem statement, they have already posted, but now they decided like okay, we don't want this, so they directly cancel it. All the teams that submit the PPT, doesn't matter, means they can't counter you like we have done efforts for this. No matter.
They have only unique solutions from the PPTs.
uh,
they just wanted the best.
yeah, they
So if
just
they,
want.
they don't found any
Also,
best
what
solution in a
you are
500,
providing,
so they
what you are
Yes.
providing rather than the statement they are giving, right? You should have a strong points. Suppose they want a particular solution for this their specific problem statement. So what innovative you are doing in that, they also sees that things, because there will be various streams of, they will have multiple knowledge in every field, and what you are giving or what you are providing, how you are providing, it is that much optimized, it is that much capable, and what should be its future scope, it all will be seen at that particular time for evaluation. So
Yes.
yeah, so your solution for that statement should be innovative and should match the current technology. You should not lack the technology. So that's what I have to say. And
Yeah.
please continue.
As now we have seen that only the evaluation is the main factor for getting selected. So now we will go through the evaluation, the things we are need to supposed to submit to the SH for the evaluation. So we will
Yes.
show you our prototypes, our use case diagrams, architectures, what we have
Yes,
submitted, and on the basis of
just
that we got selected.
before before
Yes, sir.
going further, if
Yeah, yeah.
there are any questions from you guys, please
Yes, yes,
let
yes.
us know.
Yes,
Yes, yes.
sure, sure, sure. If any one of you having any question,
This
just
section
feel
should
free to
be
ask.
interactive, not just we are
Yes,
speaking and you guys are listening.
yes, just
Yeah,
Ah,
because
yes.
it
yes,
will be
Ranjit.
really useful for you. Yes,
Sir,
Ranjit,
please ask.
you can.
I think Ranjit has.
Sir,
Yeah, yeah.
sir, guys,
Okay,
our
sir.
sir
Sorry,
Ranjit
sorry.
was.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
sir.
sorry,
Hello.
Ranjit, sir. Ah, yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So I welcome you all on this online session. I want to ask one question.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my voice? Hello.
Yeah,
Am I
yes, sir.
audible?
Ah, yes, sir. Yes.
You're
Okay.
audible.
So while submitting this proposal, can we means participant of the same college? Participant should be if there are participants from the different college, they can submit the proposal for this SIH.
No, sir, it is strictly mandatory from the SH that when you are forming a group, group should belong to only one college. No inter-college groups are allowed. Team formation.
But interdepartmental is possible.
Yes, sir.
Has a
Interdepartmental
different
is possible.
department, it
In
can
EA is
possible.
possible. Second and third year group can be combined. Mechanical, computer, electronic groups can students can combine, but they should be from one college. There is no
From the
restriction
one college.
in second or third year.
Right, right. Okay, okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Every year they are giving some rules and guidelines, so it is changing every year.
But
But
basic,
now,
yeah, yes.
but now only the same rule is following from many years. Like no inter-college teams are allowed, but you can have a wide variety of groups from your college. Like any department student can form a group. Any first year, second year, third year student can get and form a groups from there. Any other question?
Student, please ask question.
If there are any doubts regarding SIH or
Yeah, till now.
the process.
We all wanted you to take a maximum advantage of this session. Like if once you got participated for the SIH and if you reach to the grand finale, then it's a very golden opportunity for you in your resume buildings and in your career growth. Because when you win the SIH, it is something like you deserve most of the technological skills. And if you are a part of engineering, then you must once go the SIH in your whole
Yes, it is
engineering
a
life till you complete.
right. It is a great experience because SIH is not just about winning a competition. It's about gaining practical experience, showing your talent, and also obviously contributing to the betterment of the society.
Yes, the
So,
team. Yeah.
huh,
When we
so
work in team, it's like we get most a lot of experience, like how team works, how we have to contribute, how we like distribute our modules, and one person, some of the persons are working on one module, then we integrate it. A lot of experience you get from that.
We know how
so
what is a real-time project,
yeah.
and all our projects are given by Ministry of India. So it is a national.
So you are basically working for the nation itself, right? So I encourage each one of you to seize this opportunity and explore your potentials. So please, if there are any doubts, you can share with us.
Yes, guys, when we are participating, we have lots of doubt that how the process is, how to get prototype, how to win internal hackathon, what is nodal center, where it is was. So ask doubt. You will be cleared what about the process and all
Uh,
other.
Hello, Aditya this side.
Yes, yes.
Ah, yes.
Uh, so I want to ask one question like while developing this prototype or during this process of that is SIH, how you develop your prototype for the internal hackathons or for the final prototype.
Yes, Aditya. We will now show you how we have developed our prototypes, our use case diagram, architecture diagram. Once we finish with that, we can address your question related to this. It is a nice
Actually,
question.
you can,
Everyone should must have.
Tejas, Tejas, you can tell
Actually,
them like
Abhay,
process.
Just
You
Abhay,
give
can
a
you can
brief.
you can just tell them
Abhay, we
like
can.
what steps we have followed. Then I'm just showing that I have already opened that.
Okay, okay. Then first we will explain how
Uh,
prototype will make and then showcase to them.
huh,
So
we have
basically,
make our yeah.
while developing, huh, so first, while developing a prototype, make sure that while reading the problem statement, they have given the requirement from their end. Like if we are talking from our problem statement perspective, they have given a four major requirement. They wanted an announcement in multilingual, like as when we go to the as our problem statement is from railway ministry, whenever we go to any railway platform, we see that the continuously announcements are going on. So announce in our Pune, if we go, the announcement language is generally Hindi, English, Marathi. Like it is restricted to three language. But whenever the foreigner comes to our India, they face difficulties like they don't know the language, what they are, various formats. One second.
Student, you ask a question in Marathi also. There is no problem. English, Marathi, we are comfortable.
So working on a multilingual, like we have worked on almost 131 languages, including Tamil, Spanish, Hindi, and many foreign languages. This was from an announcement perspective that they wanted announcement in a multilingual. They wanted announcement in English, Marathi, Hindi, English,
Wait,
Marathi,
Tejas, I think
and
you are not audible. Hello.
Uh, Hello, Tejas.
I think he is not audible. Atharva, if you can continue.
Yeah, I will share some. Uh, so we basically, you are asking about prototype, right? So we develop. Our team means basically the team which you are forming must have a proper knowledge or some basic knowledge related to every concept like back end, front end, AIML. So in the hackathons, you don't generally have to show them the every detail, right? We have like this line of the code does this. They just give you a specific requirements, their requirements, and just you have to satisfy them. And how you are satisfying them, it doesn't matter to them at most, as of our experience. So whether you are using some APIs or whether you are using some subscribed platforms, it doesn't matter. So it is it depends on your problem statement. How should be your approach to that particular solution? If suppose you are working with the hardware, then you will need different types of platforms to work on it. And if you are working with AI, suppose machine learning projects, then there are various types of models pre-available or already available. And also if suppose I will be sharing that in our case what happened, we were given to build a chatbot. So we found out some libraries which as we all know that chatbots are like pre-trained, most pre-trained bots from the million billion dollar companies. So the what you can do is you can combine different technologies and you can go with the process. Like we found out a basic library which extract the keywords from the sentence, and on the basis of that keywords we were addressing the queries of the users. So like the generally I want to say that you can combine different type of technologies. If the technology is doing one thing, you can modify it to do suppose that library is designed for a particular task, you can modify it to do your task. Like this, this SIS is not just how you are winning or what you should win. It is about how you are giving the solution and how you are tackling it. Develops you an innovative self,
Yes, yes.
right?
And in prototype, it's not like you have to only like do the coding or everything. You can just do the Figma work. Means you can go on the Figma. You can design your prototype, how your prototype will look, how your process will be. It's okay. Like they only want that. It's not like you can you directly do the coding and show them the live website. They don't want that. You can just do the proto.io or the Figma.
Prototype,
Yeah,
yes.
depends on.
Prototype.io,
Hmm.
Figma.
Or if you are from
Basically, we
hardware.
develop first a prototype, na. So
Yes,
that's work followed in SIH also.
yes, yes, yes.
And you
As,
should aware of your technologies, because when you will go there and during the evaluation rounds you will be told to make some changes or change this thing to that, modify your systems. So you should do that at that space or at that time limit. So you should be aware of your technologies. You should have hands-on experience on what you have used in your models or what you have used in your systems,
and
right?
this is it's not like that you have to know each and every line. Just you know this, okay, this works like this works like this, so that you can change it. It's not like if you have to know each and every line. They never ask you what coding you have done in background, what are you doing. No, they don't want. They just want to see what you have shown, and we are getting this, okay, that's all.
Once you defined your problem statement and started working on it, you and started to research on it, you will be getting what you are doing and what you are supposed to do. It's generally depends on your statement or the solution which you are providing.
Yes, and I'll just show you
So
what we have given to them, like all the architectures diagram and all the things.
yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Um, this in the drive we have given all the things, and I have already uh, shown you like click here, link of sequence diagram, YouTube, and activity diagram. It's good, great way if you give the links. Like they open that, and you can do modifications in it, like at
Because
any time.
space is
Yeah.
less, so in less space we can showcase our entire project. So we can use links.
Yes. If you as like these are the diagrams like that, we can't show them in the main thing. So we have given like this. Okay, we have this architecture diagram. You can see like user cam. There are multi-channel, internet, firewall. Then HTTP connections. Client will directly connect, and the virtual assistant, and all the things like virtual assistant can to natural language processing, classification, these things. You can design this architecture diagram like this. We have taken this reference from the internet only. No problem. Like if you take the reference from internet, but just don't copy paste it. It's they'll directly then discard you if they found out anything like you have copy pasted from any source. These are the this is one also one architecture diagram related to multilingual. Okay, this is the use case. This you can paste it in your PPT. It is better, like most of our groups have directly paste this use case diagram in the PPT, but we decided to go with the text only. In this place you can directly paste the use case diagram. This activity diagram, then sequence. Okay, this is the prototype that we have means given to them. Like they can just see the video, like how our process is going. And I'll just show you this website that we have already built this. So these are just videos that, and last thing, like we have shown them, like we haven't done any prototyping. We have done code. So like we show this code at the end of the video. It depends on you. Like you want to show the video like code or Figma diagrams. It's okay, no issue. They don't want. They haven't told you that you have to directly do the create the website. It's not like that. These are the previous. I think. Yeah. This is the movie. This is the main, like for the YouTube channel. We have made one video, like it's an animated video. We have used online platform. I don't remember its name.
Basically, this video defines our project.
Yes,
What
yes,
is
yes.
we are going to do,
Yeah.
and what our project will be addressing and
For
making
their
the impact
clear
on the society.
understanding. Yes, yes.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
is only for their clear understanding. Like okay, our solution is like this. You, if you don't want to read everything, you can just see this video, and you will get all the idea, like what we are going to do and things, that all things. Next is the documentation. There is one section that where you have to provide the documentation of this, like whatever you have done, just write it and submit it. It's like some, most of the time they don't read this, all the thing, all the documentation. This is the business model, or business model. This is the main thing. You have to do this business model, because in the future what you are going to do, how you are going to scale this, how you are going to means get the money out of this project, like they want that. Okay, I think this is the video. This is the video that we have created, like for post. Once we won, then we have created this video for. It depends on you, like this is the seminar hall, where everyone, every team of that nodal center will come, and Modi ji just speak with the teams, like what are you doing, like all the things. Okay, this, I think uh, this is the hall. Like in this area, you have to code. Like you have given one separate tables. On that table, judges will just come, and they just I think we have photo, like yes, we have to demonstrate all the things what we have done to judges. Like they come after every time, like after think there is 4 hours of gap, na?
Yes,
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
basically there are 3 evaluations, and
Yeah,
to
And
three
continue
evaluations
over
and three
36
review
hours.
rounds. For once we started, as it is total 36 hours coding round, continuously 36 hours without any break. Timer continuously goes for 36 hours. So
Yes.
from the first minute when we started, the three mentoring rounds are conducted, and three evaluation rounds are conducted. For the first mentoring round, they comes and see what we have built. Like as we have saw now the what prototype we have built. Likewise, we have made so many prototypes, and we carry with ourselves while going there. Once we reach the nodal center, and once our competition is started, we are supposed to show our prototypes what we have built till now that point to the our mentors. They will see that, and they will suggest us the changes what we are supposed to further make a changes for the next evaluation round. Meanwhile, we get a gap of around, first evaluation round is conducted within a 1 hour, so within a 1 hour we get the requirement. Based on the upcoming requirement and what we have made, we have need to start our building. And after 4 hours, once we started, the first evaluation round will be carry on. In the first evaluation round, the grading is done from the first evaluation. So meanwhile, within the first 4 hours, what we have prepared, on the basis of that, grading will be done. Next, one evaluation is done, one mentoring is done. Again, second mentoring and second evaluation round is there. So for the second mentoring, they come, and what we have prepared within the first 4 hours, on the basis of that, they suggest more requirements from their side and few changes in what you have made. So for the next 4 hours, you have to build all that things, like the changes they have suggested, the requirement they have told, for the next second evaluation round. On the second evaluation round, they see the changes they have told and the requirement that have told by them are fully done or not. If they are not done, there might be chances that you will lose your grades. So it is better that you complete your task within the deadline. Like for the second evaluation round, you have given the deadline only, and in the second evaluation round is considered as the most important round. Generally what happen, we think that 3 evaluation rounds are there, so at the 36th hour, at the last point, we will show them what we have fully prepared. But our suggestion is that within the first 2 evaluation round, show all the requirement that they have told to you that you have completed within the first evaluation round itself. Because for the third evaluation round is only for the 7 minutes. The judges will only come, they will give you a one list of their requirement, and they will ask you that don't explain anything, just show the practical demonstration whether all the requirements are satisfied or not. Like if there are 4 points mentioned in the requirement list, show them this is the first point and this is how the practical implementation is done. No code explanation is there, nothing, just practical implementation. So 3 mentoring rounds, 3 evaluation round. In that, 2 mentoring and 2 evaluation rounds are the most important rounds.
हाँ, मतलब तुम लोगों को जो भी कुछ किया है वो सारा उसी में दिखाना है, दिखा दो सारा, क्योंकि लास्ट वाला जो राउंड होगा, लास्ट इवैल्यूएशन राउंड, वो बहुत ही प्रेशर होता है। तब बस 7 मिनट देते हैं, पहला 2 राउंड है उसमें तो कुछ नहीं है, उसमें कितना भी टाइम लो, आधा घंटा, 45 मिनट्स, 1 आवर। हमने उनका 1 आवर लिया था, वो लिटरली वो थक गए थे, वो बोल रहे थे बस नहीं अभी नहीं सुनना, बाद में आते हैं फिर से। लिटरली हमने ऐसे बोला,
ग्राउंड में दिखाना
हाँ।
पड़ेगा, ऐसा बोल रहे थे वो लास्ट टाइम।
वो लिटरली मतलब थक गए थे कि बस नहीं, अभी नहीं, अभी ये बाद में आते हैं हम, तब दिखाओ आप अभी, क्योंकि बहुत
जब इवैल्यूएशन होता है तब इतना ध्यान में रखना कि आप जितना दिखा सकते हो ना उनको ज्यादा
उतना
उतना
दिखा
दिखा दो, क्योंकि एक बार इवैल्यूएशन का चांस चला गया ना तो फिर आपको कोई एंटरटेन करने को नहीं मिलता कि भाई बीच में आओ आपका देख के जाओ, कोई
हाँ,
देखने के लिए नहीं आता।
नहीं ऐसा
भले
नहीं।
आपने करके रखा हो या फिर बाद में उन्होंने आपको थर्ड राउंड में आपने दिखाया, वो बोलते दिखाओ ही मत, हमें बस 7 मिनट है आपके पास, 7 मिनट में जितना दिखा सकते हो बस उतना ही दिखाओ। और यदि आप एक्सप्लेनेशन के चक्कर में पड़ गए 7 मिनट्स में तो फिर खत्म, आपने जो कुछ दिखाना है वो भी दिखाने का रह जाएगा। और यदि आप दिखाते नहीं हो, भले आपने सेकेंड राउंड में दिखाया पर थर्ड राउंड में नहीं दिखाया, तो फिर आपको उसके ग्रेड नहीं कंसिडर किए जाते हैं।
हाँ, और अभी आई थिंक मैं दिखा रहा हूँ लाइक व्हाट वी हैव डन, दिस बेसिकली लैंडिंग, दिस इज बेसिकली साइन इन साइन अप पेज। एक्चुअली ये जो हमने ये पेज जो बनाया हमने, लाइक वो हमने दिखाया भी नहीं था उनको, लाइक लास्ट तक हमने साइन इन साइन अप नहीं दिखाया उनको, फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता, उन्हें बस इम्प्लीमेंटेशन चाहिए। वो बोलते हैं कि
सिर्फ होने चाहिए सेटिस्फाई,
वो बोल रहे साइन इन साइन अप नहीं चाहिए ही नहीं, बस जो बोला है वो दिखाओ। हाँ, बट
ऐसा भी नहीं है कि आप मतलब
हाँ ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मतलब कुछ करके मत जाओ।
हाँ, और औरों से तुम्हारा किस तरह बेस्ट है, मतलब तुमने how what is your strong points in that? They gave us one sheet and told us to note down the strong points of your project or your system that you have made, which is what we can say, which is different from the other teams. And at that context we were not knowing what is the other teams were doing, but we listed down 13 strong points. What the thing we done rather than their problem statement. The main focus was the solution which they wanted, but what is the other things that you are giving in this, that also matters a lot.
Yes. Yeah, I'm showing now what we have shown them. This is our final product, like final website or the final app. We haven't deployed this because we don't have that much of time. So this is the create app, like create account, like username, email, password, same whatever you want, you can add it here. And after this, our landing page, our home page is like this. We have 3D model integrated here. Actually they don't see this, like they see this in only 40 seconds. They just scroll down like okay next, show the implementation. But this is important thing, like you have to create one landing page also. So this is a 3D model. Some of the text, what are the feature like personalized announcement. We are mostly focused on the announcement section, not on the chatbot, but chatbot is also one part of our solution. So these are the some features like then some things 24 by 7 availability, multilingual, chatbot. You just show whatever you can add anything, and these are the main things. Chatbot announcement section. I think there's one problem. Okay. Okay. Announcement section, food and finder. Actually, we have this done this additional, but we haven't shown this thing to them. Food section, where you can order the food for if you are on the railway platform and you're hungry and you're not getting anything good, then you can order from this.
Basically,
Finder.
this is
Basically,
for a
purpose,
business model.
Yeah.
Shubham,
Sorry.
please.
Yes, Mansi.
Shubham, explain it.
बेसिकली इनका पर्पस क्या था कि जो हमने बिजनेस मॉडल बनाया था तो वो डिमॉन्स्ट्रेट करने के लिए ये 2 पेजेस बनाए थे। तो
Ha.
आपको
Yes.
उस पे फोकस करने की जरूरत नहीं है, जितना आपके प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट में डिस्क्राइब किया गया है या आपको जितनी रिक्वायरमेंट जजेस ने बताई है उतनी आपको इम्प्लीमेंट करके उस टाइम फ्रेम में आपको दिखानी पड़ती है। उसके बेसिस पे आपको पॉइंट्स एलोकेट किए जाते हैं और पॉइंट्स के बेसिस पे विनर्स का अनाउंसमेंट होता है।
This is the finder. We also haven't worked on this. This is just a time pass. Okay. Next, the map booking section, where we have redirected it to the IRCTC. Okay, this is IRCTC website. Don't log out button. Okay, we'll mostly focus on this. So we have given the chatbot like it's the same chatbot like what you use in ChatGPT, but yeah, all the background things. Some of the things were handled by the ChatGPT, and some of the things were handled by us only. Means the live announcement, like live section, history, this new chat. People also ask this. These are the questions like mostly people ask these questions, so we have given this on the priority, like you can just click it and the chatbot will answer your question. I'm not going to do the demonstration, or I can show. Wait. Okay. Actually, I have already selected English language, so it's all the things are in English. You can select any language, no matter what your language is. You can select Marathi, Hindi, depends. There's a speaker where you can listen this. It's a mic where you can directly input in your language, like whatever the language you have selected, you can just directly input the text from mic. Actually, what this is the important thing that they want, like IVRS means IVRS and mic input and sound. They want like we can directly give the input without typing, and it is possible for me to hear that. Actually, I have turn off the sound, so it is not you can't listen this. Uh, and what else? Like this is the chatbot. Like you can ask any question. It related to railway only. Okay, so this is only for the railway. You can ask type of question. It's integrated with the APIs that provided by the IRCTC. This is our demonstration. Like whoever the it is not, if you are the new and you want to see how I can access this platform, so here is a video for that. In We have given the Gemini video. We didn't get the time to update this. So these are the quick announcement section, where when the admin, I'll open the admin dashboard just dash. Okay. Here is the admin dashboard, where he can just these are the templates for railway. Like route change is there, so you can just write all the things and submit it. It will it will go to everyone, like whoever using your website, and will they get the message, they get the mail regarding this. If your train route is changed, everyone will get the mail. Means if I am registered and my train number is matched to this then you can get the all the things. I'm not going in deep of this. Okay. This is the thing. You can select the language. This is the main part. There are languages. We have given the static like Hindi, English, Hindi, and whatever language you prefer. You can select Marathi, and it will change to the Marathi. So in this section, you will get the announcement in English. You get it in Hindi and in your preferred language. And there is also a section you can hear it, but as our APIs are down, so I don't think so I'm able to demonstrate that. But this is the basically what we have demonstrated to them, and lot of changes done at that time. Actually, we have changed entire chatbot backend at that time. They told that okay, this is okay what you have done. Just add these things also, for PNR number, I should get a particular information like this announcement section. They told that okay, we are getting the message. We also want that in your mail or the message or whatever you do, we also want one audio file of announcement. So if admin makes announcement, then we will it is if it is possible for you to do that, attach one audio file which include this all things, like all entire information. So I think if anyone of my team member want to continue, or some points I have missed, so they can add that points.
I think we should ask questions.
Yeah. Well,
एक second.
I'm stopping the presentation.
We show
अभी
all the things we are done.
वन
So
सेकेंड
Yeah.
अभी सबके माइंड में क्वेश्चन आया होगा कि भाई ये सब आपने पहले से प्रिपेयर करके लेके गए थे या फिर आपने ये सब वहां पे जाके बनाया, क्योंकि इतना सब कुछ तो आप 36 आवर्स में कैसे बना सकते, ये बहुत बच्चों के माइंड में क्वेश्चन आया होगा। तो मैं आपको एक फ्रैंकली बता देता हूँ कि कैसा होता है कि 36 आवर्स का राउंड होता है, पूरी वेबसाइट 36 आवर में बनाना बहुत डिफिकल्ट टास्क हो जाता है, क्योंकि कभी कभी एरर ऐसे आते हैं कि पूरा एक दिन चला जाता है वो रिजॉल्व करने में। तो हम ऐसे बता देंगे आपको, फ्रीली बताता हूँ कि आप क्या करो कि जब से आपको पता होता है कि आप सिलेक्ट हो गए हो फिनाले के लिए, तो तभी से आप अपना पूरा प्रोजेक्ट बिल्डिंग स्टार्ट कर दो। ये माइंड में कंसिडर करके चलो कि यदि आपकी कंपटीशन 16 डेज के बाद है, तो एट द 15th डे आपकी पूरा प्रोजेक्ट रेडी होना चाहिए आपके पास। और जब आप एसएच में जाते हो, तब जब आपका पहला मेंटरिंग राउंड होता है, तब मैंने आपको बोला था कि आपको प्रोटोटाइप दिखाना पड़ता है उनको कि आप कितना बना के लेके आओ। तो ऐसी टाइमलाइन बना दो माइंड में कि मेरा पूरा प्रोजेक्ट रेडी है, मेरे पास 3 मेंटरिंग है, 3 इवैल्यूएशन है, उसमें भी 2 मेंटरिंग और 2 इवैल्यूएशन सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो प्रोजेक्ट को 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड कर दो कि फर्स्ट मेंटरिंग में मैं इतना दिखाऊंगा, और जब फर्स्ट इवैल्यूएशन होगा तो मैं मेरे जितना प्रिपेयर करके रहा हूँ उसमें से इतना पार्ट दिखा दूंगा। उसके बाद में सेकेंड इवैल्यूएशन में मेरा इतना पार्ट कवर करके उनको दिखा दूंगा, और सेकेंड इवैल्यूएशन में इतना प्रोजेक्ट उनके सामने रखूंगा। ताकि क्या होता है कि आपको वहां पे जाने के बाद प्रेशर नहीं आता कि यार भाई मेरे पास 36 आवर्स है, उनकी भी रिक्वायरमेंट पूरी करनी है, मुझे कुछ चेंजेस भी करने हैं, तो फिर प्रेशर नहीं बनता। और यदि प्रेशर आपके ऊपर ज़्यादा वहाँ पे क्रिएट नहीं होता, तो फिर उनकी जो कुछ भी रिक्वायरमेंट होती है वो आप इजीली 36 आवर्स में इंप्लीमेंट कर पाते हो। क्योंकि ज़्यादातर बच्चे क्या करते हैं कि सोचते हैं कि यार मैं आधा प्रोजेक्ट यहाँ पे कंप्लीट करूंगा और फिर आधा 36 आवर्स में करूंगा, नहीं, वो पॉसिबल नहीं होता 36 आवर्स में करने।
Yes.
सो बेस्ट वे पूरा प्रोजेक्ट आप कंप्लीट करके लो, जितना आपके पास पहले 16 डेज है, 20 डेज है, उसमें दिखाते वक्त बस जल्दबाजी मत करो कि भाई चलो मेरा कंप्लीट है, पूरा दिखा देता हूँ। क्योंकि यदि पूरा दिखा है तो उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट बढ़ जाएंगे, और यदि उनके रिक्वायरमेंट बढ़ जाएंगे, आप सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर पाए, तो फिर आपके ग्रेड लूज हो जाएंगे। सो पूरा दिमाग के साथ वहाँ पे भी खेलना पड़ता है। बस टेक्नोलॉजी पे नहीं चलता कि भाई टेक्नोलॉजी में मैंने इतना किया उतना किया, नहीं, थोड़ा आपको वहाँ से थोड़ा दिमाग लगा के भी चलना पड़ता है कि भाई इतना दिखाऊंगा, इतने पॉइंट्स कवर कर लूंगा, और वहाँ पे टाइम मिल जाता है अच्छा खासा यदि आप
हाँ।
पूरा कंप्लीट करके रखते हो तो।
यस। और ये एक होता है कि उनका मेंटरिंग सेशन या तो इवैल्यूएशन होने के बाद टीम के साथ बैठो। अदर टीम्स क्या कर रहे थे, हमने जो नोटिस किया उनके, वो होने के बाद वो खुद के माइंड में ही सोच रहे थे ठीक है मुझे ये करना है, अभी ये करना है। बैठो टीम में, फिर डिस्कस करो। ऐसा होना चाहिए कि वहां पे भी आप ऐसा ना करो कि बस कोडिंग कोडिंग कोडिंग। बेटर टीम के साथ बोलो कि भाई ये हो रहा है,
Teamwork
उन्होंने,
is most
हाँ,
important
एक
thing.
most
प्रॉपर
important.
टीम कोऑर्डिनेशन होना
यस
चाहिए,
यस यस.
हाँ
क्योंकि तुम्हें उधर वहां पे जाके, जैसे तेजस ने बोला कि प्री बिल्ड प्रोजेक्ट लेके जाना और उसे एक पार्ट्स में दिखाना, और ये उधर मतलब स्ट्रेटेजी फॉलो करते थे हम एक इस प्रकार की, और उधर तुम्हें 36 आवर्स में वो जो चेंजेस दे रहे, द चेंजेस गिवन बाय देम, यू शुड हैव टू इम्प्लीमेंट दैट थिंग्स राइट देयर। तुम्हें
यस.
वहाँ प्रोजेक्ट मतलब बिल्ड होगा ही नहीं, मतलब ऐसे, क्योंकि एक एरर सॉर्ट आउट करने के लिए 4-4 5-5 घंटे इंस्टेंटली जाते हैं।
समटाइम्स दिन चले जाते हैं.
इसलिए
हाँ।
तुम्हारी ऑलरेडी एक स्ट्रेटेजी रहनी चाहिए, जैसे हमने स्ट्रेटेजी फॉलो की। ये मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि ये नहीं कर सकते ऐसा वगैरह, ये एक प्रकार की स्ट्रेटेजी होती है जो तुम्हें ही करना है। तुम्हें वही तो SIH, वही इसलिए फॉर दैट पर्पस द SIH इज देयर, यू हैव टू प्री
हाँ,
प्लान द थिंग्स फॉर स्ट्रेटेजीज, फॉर योर व्हाट इनोवेटिव थिंग्स यू आर डूइंग एंड हाउ यू आर प्रेजेंटिंग। यस,
और ऐसा भी मत करो कि मतलब करके गए हैं, ठीक है, अभी जाके बस दिखाएंगे, उनके जो सजेशंस है वो इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करेंगे, ऐसा नहीं चलता, करने ही पड़ता है, नहीं किए तो पॉइंट लूज करोगे, ऐसा होता है.
ऐसा भी नहीं है कि जो आपने बनाया है वो सब इम्प्लीमेंटेड है और वही दिखाएंगे
हाँ.
वही हो जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होता। वो जो रिक्वायरमेंट बताएंगे वो हमको करने ही पड़ती है चेंजेस।
Requirement are changes.
एंड आप जहाँ तक कर सकते हो वहां तक करो, क्योंकि हमें एक ऐसा चेंज बताया था कि तुम्हारे अनाउंसमेंट फोन कॉल पे आने चाहिए। हमने मतलब एक सब्सक्रिप्शन था उस पर्टिकुलर प्लेटफॉर्म का, उसका सब्सक्रिप्शन 10,000 रुपीज था, तो हम वो अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते उस समय के लिए। तो उन्होंने स्पेसिफिकली बोल दिया कि ठीक है, कॉल तो आ रहा है लेकिन अनाउंसमेंट नहीं जा रही। फिर तुम यहाँ तक ठीक है, वो मतलब उन्हें ऐसा चाहिए कि बच्चे किस हद तक कर सकते, क्योंकि उसके आगे तो मतलब फंडिंग्स वगैरह अगर आते हैं उनकी तरफ से तो हम ऑब्वियसली कर सकते हैं, लेकिन तुम्हारे एंड से तुम क्या दे रहे हो ऐसा उन्हें।
हाँ, वो अपॉर्चुनिटी देते हैं कि लाइक उन्हें अगर पसंद आया तो वो बोलते हैं कि लाइक ठीक है, हम एक स्टार्टअप खोलते हैं, इस पे वो फंड करते हैं हमें, या हमें एक इंटर्नशिप ऑफर करते हैं, बहुत सी चीजें वो ऑफर कर सकते हैं, डिपेंड ऑन.
SIH करो, यानी यदि आपको यदि एक भी चांस मिलता है ना SIH करने के, यदि कॉलेज की तरफ से या फिर यदि आप यूनिवर्सिटी में आगे चल के भी जाते हो, तो क्योंकि ये सब आप बीटेक तक ही कर सकते हो, उसके बाद में आपको SIH में पार्टिसिपेट करने का कभी चांस नहीं मिलता।
चांस नहीं मिलता. यस.
इसलिए जब भी आपको चांस मिले, अभी तो आप पॉलिटेक्निक कर रहे हो तो
फायदा
आपके पास, हाँ अभी तो आप पॉलिटेक्निक कर रहे हो तो फिर आपके पास अभी इंजीनियरिंग में जाने के बाद भी 4 साल की अभी अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, आप चारों साल पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हो अलग अलग ग्रुप के साथ, एक ही ग्रुप के साथ अभी भी पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हो। यदि आप फर्स्ट ईयर, सेकेंड ईयर या थर्ड ईयर से हो तब भी आप पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हो। और ऐसे
मतलब
कुछ नहीं होता कि भाई IITs के बच्चे हमारे साथ कंपटीशन के लिए, हम कैसे जीत सकते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता। हमारे साथ भी IITs या
हम
NITs
खुद
फिर
हम
भी हम
हमारे
जीत गए।
हमारे सामने खुद वो बैठे थे, क्या क्या ही कर लिया, मतलब ऐसा नहीं होता, आप जीतते
हाँ,
हो.
खुद को कम मत समझो, जितना आपको आता है ना उस पे बस 100% दो और एक्यूरेसी पे फोकस करो। छोटी छोटी चीजें मिस मत होने देना कभी प्रोजेक्ट से। हम ज्यादातर सोचते हैं कि यार छोड़ दे, उससे क्या ही फर्क पड़ने वाला है इतना, पर नहीं, माइन्यूट माइन्यूट चीजें भी बहुत
और
मैटर करती है वहाँ पे। भले
मेंटर के
आप
साथ
प्रोजेक्ट,
ज्यादा कांटेक्ट में रहो कि क्या करे सर, आगे क्या करे, ऐसे ज्यादा कांटेक्ट में रहो, क्योंकि बहुत हमारे मेंटर ने सपोर्ट किया था कि लाइक ऐसे करो फिर ऐसे करो। और कॉलेज का कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, एग्जाम्स है ना तो पोस्टपोन हो सकते हैं, ऐसा नहीं कि हम हमारे खुद के एग्जाम्स पोस्टपोन हुए हैं, अभी अभी तक हमने एग्जाम्स नहीं दिए हमारे, तो कॉलेज करता है सपोर्ट, सब कुछ होता है, बस आप पार्टिसिपेट करो, मेहनत
बस
करो, हो
कॉलेज
जाता
को लगना चाहिए कि ये टीम
है.
कैपेबल है, ये
यस.
कर सकती है, वैसा मतलब
Participant खूप
तुम्हारा
महत्वाचा असतो.
आउटपुट दिखाना चाहिए तुमको
आपकी
अभी
तरफ से
कॉलेज
कोई
को।
हाँ.
क्वेश्चन है अभी?
हाँ,
यानी
यस यस.
पूछो, फ्रैंकली पूछो, जो कुछ भी हैकेथॉन से रिलेटेड या फिर हैकेथॉन के अलावा भी कुछ होगा तो फ्रीली पूछो, हम अच्छे से एड्रेस करेंगे, क्योंकि बेनिफिट लो, हम चाहते हैं जितना बेनिफिट आप ले सको उतना ले लो। क्योंकि हमें तो बताने वाली कोई नहीं थी जब हम सेकेंड और थर्ड ईयर में थे, हम तो हमारे एक्सपीरियंस से सीखते गए। यदि इसलिए हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे पास इतना एक्सपीरियंस है तो हम किसी को बता के और उनकी हेल्प कर सकें। हाँ ऋषिकेश,
यस वी हैव क्वेश्चन
और
ऋषिकेश।
आपके पास कौन सी भी लैंग्वेज में पूछो,
तेजस
लैंग्वेज
तेजस
बैरियर
तेजस
नहीं है। Hindi,
Tejas
English.
will say.
Hello.
Yes, Rishikesh. Yeah.
Yes, the question from my side is that what responsibilities you have distributed with your team?
Uh,
Okay, so responsibilities in the sense like if anyone knows front end, okay, if any one or any two members knows front end, so we'll directly say that okay, I think you can as a lead, you can say that okay, I think you can work on this type of front end, and then other like other one other at same time other can work on the different module of the project. Like there are a lot of things in the one project, so you have to just distribute. Like if he knows this type of technology, or if he says like okay, I'll do that, as like Mansi, all the development like Android app development is done by Mansi. We are just telling her like okay, we want this, we want
the
this.
requirements. Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. So
और
it depends
रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी
on.
के केस एक याद रखना कि यदि 6 मेंबर्स की टीम है आपकी और आपको यदि कोई वर्क दिया गया हो तो ट्राई करो कि वो डेडलाइन में कंप्लीट हो जाए।
Yes,
कि
yes.
भाई अभी यदि मैं हमारा लीड था तो हमें हमें बताता था, गाइड करता था सबको कि भाई तेजस तू इस पार्ट पे काम कर, अथर्व तू इस पे काम कर। यदि वो काम बोला है तो वो होना ही चाहिए कंप्लीट। भले आप रात में जागो, दिन में करो, रात में करो, एकेडमिक्स छोड़ दो, पर वो काम उस डेडलाइन तक कंप्लीट होना चाहिए। यही मेन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है प्रोजेक्ट में, बाकी कोई दूसरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं आती।
Yes,
बस
just
अगर आप
distribute.
डेडलाइन
सिलेक्ट हो तो फर्स्ट राउंड में सिलेक्ट होते हो कंपटीशन के लिए, तो आप अपना 100% दीजिए। हम बस इतना बताना चाहते हैं।
पहले से पकड़ के चलो भाई, हैकेथॉन जीतना
हाँ।
ही है। इंटरनल हैकेथॉन को भी ग्रैंड फिनाले कंसीडर करके ही पार्टिसिपेट करो, तभी आप आगे जाओगे।
क्योंकि एकेडमिक्स हमें एक ये देता है, एक सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड देता है, लेकिन आपका जो एक्सपीरियंस रहने वाला है ना इस हैकेथॉन में, वो एक नेक्स्ट लेवल रहेगा। आप डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ यू विल came to know, will be aware of different types of technologies and so much things, right?
Yes.
So any other question from your side?
Yes, Namrata.
Yes, Namrata.
Which language is used to the front end and back end project development?
Yes, yes, yes. In the front end, we have used the React, and in the back end, we have used Python.
Python for we were having a models
Yeah.
model development at backend, which were used and developed in the Python language itself, and basically front end we used CSS, HTML, and React type of languages.
And also one thing is that the from SH की तरफ से ऐसे कोई गाइडलाइंस नहीं है कि आप यही टेक्नोलॉजी प्रीफर करो, वही टेक्नोलॉजी प्रीफर करो, ऐसी कोई गाइडलाइंस नहीं है। आपको जो कुछ भी टेक्नोलॉजी आती है आप उस पे फ्रीली वर्क कर सकते हो।
हैकेथॉन के मीनिंग मतलब वर्ड में ही हैक, मतलब कुछ तो करो और ये इम्प्लीमेंट करो ऐसे, और वो करंट टेक्नोलॉजी के रिलेटेड रहने।
हाँ, टेक्नोलॉजी कैसे भी यूज करो, वो कुछ नहीं पूछते क्या क्या पाइथन क्या होता है, क्या आपने पाइथन क्यों यूज किया, उन्हें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। आपने रिएक्ट क्यों यूज किया, ठीक है, जावा यूज कर रहे हो एज अ बैक एंड,
उनके रिक्वायरमेंट्स बस सेट से होने चाहिए, बस रिक्वायरमेंट और कुछ
यू आर यूजिंग एक्सप्रेस, इट्स ओके, नो इशू।
ओके, एनी अदर?
नेहा, शायद से नेहा कोई क्वेश्चन?
हाँ, यस।
I would like to ask, can you share any lessons learned from this experience in hackathon?
Okay, Neha. So in this Smart Indian Hackathon, it was not just a competition, right? It was a chance for us to be a problem solver, and we also gain a lot of practical experience. And basically, our project was that to leave a positive mark on the society, and we learned a lot of technologies. Also, our teamwork was yes. You will also gain knowledge. Okay. Am I continuous?
हमारा मोस्ट बढ़िया एक्सपीरियंस वो था कि टीम वर्क कैसे करें। लाइक हमने टीम में वर्क किया था, बट यहाँ पे 4 मेंबर्स नहीं थे, 6 मेंबर्स थे। सभी को मैनेज करके चलना कैसे होता है, और ऑन स्पॉट जो प्रेशर आता है ना वो उनकी तरफ से कि भाई अभी डेडलाइन है, 3 आवर्स बचे, 2 आवर्स बचे, वो प्रेशर हैंडल जो करना होता है ना, वो बहुत बढ़िया एक्सपीरियंस होता है। और जो टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करते हैं उसको इंटीग्रेट करना, उसमें मजा भी
आम्ही
आता है.
जवळ लीड अँड त्यानं खूप चांगली लिडरशिप केली. मी तसं सांगू शकते. खूप खूप चांगली. लिटरली त्यानं टीम वर्कर रात्रीपर्यंत जागून स्वतः एकट्यानं केलं होतं एक दिवस. विचार करा, तो झोपला पण नव्हता 36 तास. बाकी
we don't sleep for 3 days,
36.
Yes.
and we
हां.
also skip our
We
lunch
were
also.
having a small little 5 minutes nap and just getting up, but our team leader didn't slept at that specific time. Literally, I think he just nod his head in before the evaluation, last evaluation, before 1 hour.
Because the
When
work
our
is
project
done.
was literally were done. Yes, our
हमें बहुत
task was completed at that time.
हैकेथॉन के साथ बहुत सारी नई टेक्नोलॉजी भी सीखने को मिलती है. यदि हमें
हाँ,
पहले
on
वेब
spot.
डेवलपमेंट आता था
Yes.
तो हम
और वो
बच्चों
टेक्नोलॉजी
के साथ
हमें
मिलके
क्लियर
फ्लटर
होनी
सीख
चाहिए.
सकते हैं, AIML सीख सकते हैं, क्लाउड सीख सकते हैं, डेटाबेस सीख सकते हैं. यानी सीखने की भी बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाती है जब आप ऐसे बड़े-बड़े हैकेथॉन्स में
और
पार्टिसिपेट करते हो.
हाँ, और ये भी होता है कि लाइक टीम मेंबर्स से हमें बहुत सीखने को मिलता है. हम जब बैठते थे तब हमें उससे सीखने को मिलता था. हाँ यार, ये ऐसे भी करना होता है क्या? ओके. हाँ, ऐसे होता है.
प्रत्येकाचं ओपिनियन मॅटर करतात. असं नाही की एकाचं, पण सगळ्यांची ओपिनियन आम्ही धरून केलं होतं. त्यामुळं टीमवर्क चांगलं होतं.
हां, तुम्ही खूप शिकता. असं नाही की काही शिकायला भेटत नाही. खूप.
हो.
Anyone else?
I think we have a question. Yes,
Yeah.
Yes.
yes,
Namrata.
Namrata.
Which difficulty you faced in project work?
डिफिकल्टीज. फर्स्ट पहले तो ये था कि सब कुछ जब हम मॉड्यूल्स में
Integration,
करते हैं,
yes.
हाँ, जब हम सब मॉड्यूल्स में करते हैं तब उसका एनवायरनमेंट जो वो जिस पीसी पे वर्क कर रहा है और मैं जिस पीसी पे, एनवायरनमेंट्स अलग होते हैं. उसके वेरिएबल जो उसने यूज किए हैं मैं डायरेक्टली यूज नहीं कर सकता. मुझे कुछ तो चेंजेस करने पड़ते हैं. वो सारा इंटीग्रेशन जो होता है ना, उसमें बहुत डिफिकल्टी आई थी. ऑन स्पॉट हमें ये भी हुआ था कि एक छोटा सा एरर थ्रो हो रहा था, उसकी वजह से वो जो इम्प्लीमेंटेशन जितना भी कोड लिखा है वो पूरा गया था हमारे लिटरली पीसी. एक दिन पहले जब हम उस दिन 3 दिन नहीं सोए थे, जब वो पहला जब दिन था, लिटरली हमारे सभी लोगों के पीसीज में एक ही सेम एरर सभी लोगों के पीसीज में था और कुछ तो पीसीज हमारे पूरे डाउन हो गए थे. लाइक ऐसा बहुत इशू आता है.
Basically, it was due to change in operating system.
कोडिंग से रिलेटेड डिफिकल्टीज नहीं आते. कोडिंग तो एक ऐसा पार्ट है कि उसमें एरर तो आना ही है, वैसे तो कोडिंग होती है नहीं है. और उसके साथ साथ में बाकी के भी कुछ डिफिकल्टीज होते हैं जो हमें थोड़ी कंसिडर करके चलने पड़ते हैं. तो हमें ऐसे ज़्यादातर हमारे केस में ऐसा हुआ था कि हमें ज़्यादा डिफिकल्टीज नहीं फेस करनी पड़ी थी
कोडिंग
क्योंकि
रिलेटेड.
हाँ, कोडिंग रिलेटेड, क्योंकि उसका एक पहला रीजन ये था कि हमारे 6 मेंबर्स टेक्नोलॉजी के केस में बहुत अच्छे थे, उन्हें बहुत अच्छा नॉलेज था टेक्नोलॉजी का. और सेकंड और एक डिफिकल्टीज आती है कि जब आप प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट जब चूज करते हो ना, तो आप चूज करते वक्त हम बहुत इजीली बोल देते हैं कि भाई हाँ मैं कर लूंगा, हाँ भाई ऐसे हो जाता है. तब जब प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट चूजिंग एक सबसे बड़ी डिफिकल्टी है यदि आप एसएच में पार्टिसिपेट करते हो तो.
और प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट अंडरस्टैंड उनको चाहिए क्या, ये बहुत मतलब मैटर करता है. क्योंकि हमने कुछ टीम्स उधर ऐसे भी देखे जिन्हें मतलब जज ही समझा रहे थे कि हमें प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट सॉल्यूशन चाहिए क्या. हमारे साइड से ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ, लेकिन आप पहले प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट का जो डिस्क्रिप्शन रहता है ना, उसे प्रॉपरली अंडरस्टैंड करो.
या तो सभी लोगों से पूछो, हम तो अवेलेबल है ही, हम तो अवेलेबल. कभी भी कुछ लगे, मतलब अगर दूसरा भी हैकाथॉन है,
क्योंकि
लाइक
इधर ऐसे डिफिकल्टीज आते हैं, ऐसे देखा है हमने,
अगर
एक्सपीरियंस
दूसरा भी हैकाथॉन है ना तो आप कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो हमें, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं.
फक्त
एक्चुअली हम भी
पार्टिसिपेट करा तुम्ही
yes, yes, yes.
हॅकेथॉन मध्ये.
हम
आम्ही काय
खुद भी अभी है
उपलब्ध
ना.
आहे तुमच्यासाठी.
यस यस यस. हम खुद भी अभी कुछ हैकाथॉन्स में पार्टिसिपेट. यस
Yes.
Hello, I'm Rajvardhan Desai. I would like to ask what your future plans, what your business idea regarding this solution?
एक्चुअली जो हमने किया बिजनेस आइडिया तो हमारे पहले से ही थी कि लाइक हम उसको ये पूरा प्लेटफॉर्म हम खुद बनाए, मतलब खुद प्रोवाइड करेंगे ताकि बहुत से यूजर्स है ना, लाइक सभी को अनाउंसमेंट और ये सभी लगता है तो हम खुद ही हमारी सिस्टम बना के डिप्लॉय करेंगे. पर एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि जब तक वो उनसे कुछ इनिशिएटिव नहीं आता रेलवे मिनिस्ट्री से, तब तक हम इस पे अभी तक वर्क नहीं कर सकते. हमें करना है, हमें सोच रहे हैं कि करेंगे. बट जब तक उनसे नहीं आता तब तक हम नहीं कर सकते, तो वही प्रॉब्लम है। बट हाँ, हम सोच रहे थे कि इसमें थोड़े से चेंजेस करें, और चेंजेस करके हम खुद का कुछ करें ऐसे। तो बस इतना ही, और कुछ अभी तो वही सोच रहे हैं। और सेम, हाँ, ये आदित्य।
Yeah, so I want to ask about there are two rounds. Like first is in the internal hackathon, and another in is when you get finalized for
Yes,
the SIH at your node center.
yes,
So
yes.
at internal hackathon, on which basis they evaluate your team? Like on what criteria they use for evaluating your problem statement or other things that.
यस, तो इंटरनल हैकाथॉन में ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता। इंटरनल हैकाथॉन हमारे फैकल्टी द्वारा ही क्रिएट मतलब होते हैं। हमारी फैकल्टी ही कुछ लोगों को बुलाती है और वो कंडक्ट करते हैं इंटरनल हैकाथॉन। हमारे मतलब हमारे कॉलेज के ही होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, मे बी सीनियर्स, और
जिन्हें एक्सपीरियंस है ऑलरेडी उस फील्ड
उन्हें,
में।
हाँ, यस, एक्सपीरियंस है। और वो बस यही देखते हैं, ठीक है तुमने इतना किया है, उन्हें एक्सपीरियंस है, तो उन्हें पता होता है तुमने इतना
उन्हें
किया है।
बस लगना चाहिए कि
हाँ,
प्रोजेक्ट आगे जाके करेगा।
करेगा
तुम कर
उन्हें।
सकते हो, ये लगना चाहिए सिर्फ।
यस, 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 ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता
तुम
वो।
कैपेबल हो वो
हाँ,
करने के लिए।
सिर्फ तुम्हें
वो,
आउटपुट देना है कि हमारा इतना हुआ है, हम कर सकते हैं।
हाँ,
और
हमारी ये
Yes,
आइडिया
yeah,
है, हमारी आइडिया बहुत इनोवेटिव है, बस वो उन्हें बताओ। इंटरनल हैकाथॉन में हमारे ही कॉलेज और ऐसा होता है।
yeah,
कन्विंस करो
okay,
उनको।
हम्म।
yes, yes.
ओके,
So another question is like for final demonstration, what you build like website or an application, mobile application?
Whatever you want, means if you want to build a
if
website
there
and application, it's okay. If you want web app, no issue.
if they have given specifically that you should build a website, then you should definitely focus on that. And if they
हाँ,
have given any platform, then it is on your what you are means what you are in going to build or what
Yeah, yeah,
you are interested in.
it depends on problem statement. If the problem statement is related to hardware, then all the required material you have to buy it, and you have to take it to the nodal center location.
Yes.
And in the
All are
software, in the software, uh,
done by government.
okay, in software, if problem is related to Android app, then you can provide Android app, or if related to website only, you can provide website. And if
Yes.
you want to do additional, like okay, I'll give website and the app, it's okay, no problem,
Yes.
you get a
From
additional point.
from our side, we have built both web
Yeah.
as well as app.
true.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
I that I want that want to ask that like what you have built, app or
Yeah.
Yes.
website. So
Both.
you are with both. Yeah.
Yes.
कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट में भी मेंशन किया होता है, तो पहले प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट का डिस्क्रिप्शन पढ़ते हुए थोड़ा केयरफुल होना। कभी कभी वो दोनों मांगते हैं, हमें वेब भी बना के दो, ऐप भी बना के दो, तो वो भी थोड़ा केयरफुली रीड करना उस वक्त।
Yes, sure.
Any other question?
So another one question from my side.
Yes,
Uh,
yes.
Yes, please.
like I am learning in VIT now. I am in second year.
Okay.
And all these people are other than me are diploma people. So at diploma level, there is not that like that much awareness about these all these technologies. Just we focus on the academics on all these things for getting the marks. So you just tell what the basic skills like that's like Git or GitHub or another such technique technology thing. What we should focus on.
Mm, Basically, you can focus on development, like whatever it app development or the web development. So most of the software problem statements are related to the development, web development. And in the web development, there are byparts, like in the web development, cloud, AIML, cyber security, sometimes blockchain. There are a lot of problem statement related to blockchain. So it
But
depends on you.
start
Like,
with the basics.
yes, yes. If you if you don't want to go in the with the web development, you can go with the blockchain or the cyber security. No problem. It depends, like
Yes.
whatever. Yeah, it's related to your technology. If you know this, then search the problem statement related to that only.
Yeah.
Yes, actually, what we have done, like we have taken meet of our. Actually, we take daily meets for the searching for the problem statement, based on our all the technology that our team know. So that you can do. Uh,
Yeah.
any any question
Any
else?
other?
Any other? Yeah.
So another one question like you have chosen the large language model, that yeah, NLP or like language
Yes.
processing thing.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
So how you done your research, or what like what kind of research you done, and what kind of references you refer?
Um, like for research, like we know that we already know that okay, our related we are related to the we have to build up chatbot. So chatbot requires natural language processing. So initially we just started working on like okay, what is natural language processing? Okay, this is the thing. What we required? Okay, with these things we required. Then we Google it like codes for natural language processing. We done some of the
Yes,
chat.
there are multiple contents available over the
Yes, yes,
internet
yes,
that how this particular thing should be built or
yes,
developed. And suppose if you want to build a chatbot, then there are various types of videos on YouTube, right? There are contents over all over the internet and how the chatbot is built. So in watching them and gaining knowledge from that videos or content, you can develop your own chatbot like using other type of libraries. In this like this, you can process further in research. The more you research in the particular field, the more you understand how the things works and how which technology you should use and what is the alternate sources of that technology. Or once you started, it is all about to start. That's what we were telling that you you should, you all should participate in this competition, right? Because this is a great experience.
Yes.
So any other question, you guys?
How to select your team members?
okay.
Yeah.
So टीम मेंबर्स जब सिलेक्ट कर रहे हो तो वेरियस डोमेन्स के करो, लाइक ऐसा मत करो कि एक इसको ये आता है, ये मेरा फ्रेंड है तो इसको मैं लूंगा. सो आप ऐसे कर सकते हो कि लाइक वेब डेवलपमेंट के कुछ, बैक एंड के कुछ, फ्रंट एंड के कुछ एंड्रॉयड डेवलपमेंट के, तो ऐसे आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो. या आपका अगर आईओटी रिलेटेड है तो आप कुछ इलेक्ट्रिकल के.
हार्डवेयर के लिए
यस, इलेक्ट्रिकल. या डिपेंड्स ऑन.
टीम सिलेक्शन ही सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट टास्क होता है जब
हाँ,
भी कभी आप हैकाथॉन में
हाँ,
पार्टिसिपेट करते हो तो, क्योंकि
क्योंकि हाँ,
ज्यादातर क्या बच्चे क्या सोचते हैं, यार भाई चलो हम 5-6 फ्रेंड्स से चलो ऐसे पार्टिसिपेट कर लेते हैं। पर ऐसा नहीं होता, क्योंकि जब भी फ्रेंड साथ में आते हैं तो कभी कभार काम हो भी जाता है, बट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम हंसी मजाक में चला जाता है। उससे अच्छा कि थोड़ा डाइवर्स टीम चूज करो कि भाई इसको ये टेक्नोलॉजी थोड़ी अच्छी आती है तो मैं उसको ले लूंगा, उसको ये दूसरी टेक्नोलॉजी आती है तो उसको ले लूंगा। यानी थोड़े टेक्नोलॉजी स्टैक पे ज्यादा फोकस करो कि भाई 6 मेंबर्स है तो उनको एटलीस्ट सभी को मिलकर 4-5 टेक्नोलॉजी तो अच्छे से आनी चाहिए।
यस,
क्योंकि उधर ऑन स्पॉट चेंजेस भी होने वाले हैं, तो उस ऑन स्पॉट चेंजेस को हमको आना चाहिए करना,
हाँ, क्योंकि
इसलिए
एक बंदा पूरा हैंडल नहीं
हम्म,
कर सकते। यदि दो
हाँ।
बच्चों को अच्छा आता है और बच्चे 4 बच्चे ऐसे कि उनको टेक्नोलॉजी कुछ ज्यादा नॉलेज ही नहीं है, वो नहीं कर सकते ऑन द स्पॉट, आप
और
अवॉइड करो कि थोड़ा ना ले उनको।
इनिशियल फेज इंटरनल हैकेथॉन में ही आपका है मतलब टीम कोऑर्डिनेशन बैठ जाएगा एक प्रॉपर।
हम्म,
हाँ, आप
ऐसे
टीम चेंज
देखो।
कर सकते हो, लाइक ऐसा नहीं है कि टीम, हाँ, बट एक बार फाइनलाइज हो गई, आप रजिस्टर किया आपने, उसके बाद टीम नहीं चेंज हो सकती, उसके
वो
पहले
हैकेथॉन
आप
की
कर
तरफ
सकते
से
हो।
हमें वो कुछ तो गाइडलाइंस होते हैं ना कि हम लास्ट में आइदर मेंबर रिप्लेस कर सकते हैं 3 या फिर
यस
4
यस यस,
अप्रॉक्स।
यस वो कर सकते हैं, बट वो एट लास्ट होता है, लाइक वो 15 दिन पहले, लाइक 10, हमें तो 10 दिन पहले आया था, तो लाइक 10 दिन में नया टीम लेके, नया टीम मेंबर लेके उसका कोऑर्डिनेशन होके थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आता है, सो इसलिए पहले आइडेंटिफाई कर लो।
आप सब कुछ यूज कर सकते हो इंटरनेट का आप पूरा फायदा ले सकते हो, लेकिन आपको बेसिक नॉलेज आनी चाहिए उस डोमेन
यस
की।
यस।
Okay, thank you.
Yes, yeah, yes,
यस
Prathamesh.
प्रथमेश।
Prathamesh, you can unmute yourself.
Hello.
हाँ
Ah,
प्रथमेश।
yes.
What your when your project starting? What's your first step? Actually?
First step is a decide a
First,
problem statement.
yeah, problem statement which you are interested in on working, and are your team is capable, or your team is going to work on that problem statement and will address.
देन
सबसे
टेक,
पहले टीम फॉर्म होने के बाद उनका टेक्नोलॉजी स्टैक एक नोटपैड पे लिख के लो भाई। 6 बंदों को इतनी टेक्नोलॉजी आती है, तो हम ऐसा प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट चूज करें जिसमें ये 6 टेक्नोलॉजीज का मैक्सिमम यूज है और जिससे हम सॉल्यूशन फुल्ली बिल्ड कर सकते हैं। तो फिर टेक्नोलॉजी स्टैक को कंसिडर करो टीम के कि आप कौन से टेक्नोलॉजीज में माहिर हो 6 बच्चे, और उसके बेसिस पे प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट ही वैसा चूज करो। ऐसा मत करो कि भाई चलो ये नहीं आता मैं सीख लूंगा चालू प्रोजेक्ट में, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता। तो उसके हिसाब से दोनों बैलेंस करके प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट चूज करना एक इनिशियल फेज है प्रोजेक्ट की।
उसके बाद आप प्रोटोटाइपिंग पे जा सकते हो एंड देन
और प्रॉब्लम
इम्प्लीमेंटेशन।
स्टेटमेंट का स्कोप भी देखा करो, मतलब कितना
हाँ,
स्कोप देगा
वो
फ्यूचर को।
वो प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट फिजिबल भी होना चाहिए इम्प्लीमेंट के लिए।
Okay.
एक बार वो भी देखो।
ठीक है, एनी अदर?
Time also.
हाँ, थिंक इट्स
So
12:45.
we should conclude, right?
If no further questions, then we can stop over here.
Yes, so I would like to conclude, or any other giving conclusion.
Yeah.
Does anybody have any question? So I call Samruddhi Patil for vote of thanks.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Today I am truly honored to virtually stand before you, expressing our gratitude to an exceptional team that has made an unforgettable impact on us. They have emerged as the winners of the prestigious hackathon competition. I would like to give my special thanks to each member of Team Rudra, Mansi Sangpal, Atharva Lokhande, Tejas Pingle, Sripad Dhaple, Shubham Hagabane, and also my special thanks to the team lead Amey Khamkar. Team Rudra, your mentorship is invaluable and we are truly fortunate to have you guide us, and we are inspired by your collective achievements. We will look forward to putting this guidance into practice and making our mark in such a competitions. I would like to give my special thanks to the Soft Clones for organizing such a valuable session for all of us. I would like to give my thanks to the head of Department of Computer Engineering and all the staff members for motivating us for the joining. And also, I would like to extend my gratitude to the Dr. R.V. Pawar sir and also to the Principal G.S. Ghevde sir and Institute of Civil and Rural Engineering for organizing this event. Thank you.
Thank you all for giving us opportunity to.
I
I
think
think
Prathamesh and Aditya have
no, no, no. Yeah, Aditya is raising his hand. So Aditya, anyone, anything?
Yes, I want to confess one thing. Like, if you guys don't have any issues, you can share your LinkedIn handle so that we can connect with you.
LinkedIn handles. Okay. I'll check. Or you can contact us on WhatsApp also if you want anything.
Yeah, yeah.
As you
We
also
can
to contact
we can
us.
contact through Mansi. Yes.
Yeah, yes,
Yeah,
sure.
sure.
I think Mansi will share. I'm not getting all the things, all the details.
I will share Aditya.
Okay, sure.
Prathamesh is also having any question, Prathamesh?
No, anyone.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So,
Yes, Satyaram.
okay. Yeah, Smart India Hackathon. Uh, it's a chance for you to be a problem solver, yeah, gain practical experience, and leave positive mark on society. So you should embrace this opportunity and showcase your talent. And
Yes.
so this is Team Rudra, and we will be seeing you as a future innovator and signing off. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you,
Thank
guys.
you.